Hey, aren't you supposed to report to the king too? Hmm?
I'm tired. Make some hot water for my bath.
What? Not again.
Ba't mas maganda na siya, mami?
Nakikita lang niya yung true form ni Sophie.
Ano?
Nakikita lang niya yung true form ni Sophie.
Mas gumanda siya.
Don't you love early morning markets and
Remember
just
may
look
mga
at the
shape na
water?
bumalik?
I've never
Yung
seen the
umalis?
ocean. A winter, aren't you?
Just shut up.
What happened? You look so much older.
Tuming climb na yun, bumata siya.
Pull yourself
tapos
together. Isn't this what you've
Bumata
been
siya, tapos
waiting
tumanda
for?
yung witch.
Yan,
Parang,
nanonood at the cellphone.
Your name's Pendragon? Why does that name sound so familiar?
Because that was the name of my tacky hat shop, don't you remember?
Is that what it was?
Ba't siya tumanda, ma'am?
Jenkins. Who's Jenkins?
Research nyo na
But
lang.
yeah,
I'll just search it
it's
up.
mine!
Trap yan.
Papa, your hand.
Papa, kumain mo. Trap yung chair.
Howell, get back here.
Sick.
Dapat na ba yan?
buko. Once buko.
You like it?
Mas may buko dito, eh, nasa bundok tayo.
Remember mo na tayo ano yun? Tapos, in the first 10 minutes,
Just tell
Ano?
the flowers.
may babae nagdedede sa baby.
Suma ni Kolo.
This place is gorgeous, Hal. It's like a dream.
Bumabata siya every now and then. Ay, ko lang napansin.
Nalilito na yan, oh. Nalilito na AI eh, Luis.
Oh.
Nag-hallucinate na. Isang matanda, isang bata.
Age prices?
Hindi consistent.
Wow.
Sophie? Look there.
What a cute cottage.
That was my secret hideaway. I spent a lot of time here by myself when I was young.
You were alone.
My uncle, who was a wizard, gave me this place.
Ganun kayo nag-meet kayo ni Mami. Sila si Hal.
Good night, Sophie.
Ako si Hal.
Don't worry about Master House, Sophie. Sometimes he likes to go away for days on end. Thank you.
Si Mommy, si Hal, si Papa, si Ana.
Ganda na ano to mo, tinaniman nilang gilid oh.
Good night, then.
Ganda oh.
You're in love. Don't deny it. You've been sighing all day.
Mas naging younger siyang konti. Di ko na
May
notice.
backstory nga.
She becomes 18 and 16 and 15.
Just as I thought.
Have you ever been in love before?
Of course I have. I'm still in love. Strapping young men are so difficult to deal with, but their hearts I just adore.
You're terrible.
Bango oh.
Babalik ka kay Mami.
So well hidden.
Gagawin lahat ng tao.
Kailan babalik si Kuya Gino?
Thank goodness you're here. I searched everywhere for you. Oh my, look at your face. You're so old. Everyone's saying it's my fault that you left. You'll forgive me, oh, won't you? Oh, Sophie. tell you, I got married again.
Huh?
He's such a nice man, and he's filthy rich too, so we can all live together again. You won't have to work as a cleaning lady anymore.
That's all right, Mother. I actually like living here.
Really? I forgot. I've got a car.
Meron din sa ano.
But our home is falling on us. Why can't you put out some fires instead?
I'm sorry, Sophie. I should have gotten here sooner.
You're alive. Oh, thank goodness.
Sabi nila, tumuko lahat sila ginagawa. Ang daming bibili ng motor, mag-get away, tapos pupunta sila dito. Napapahangin. Puro motor eh. Ayun, oh.
Grabe lakas ng hangin.
The crowd is where the money is. Kahit ano ata itayo mo dito, dudumugin eh.